guys, just want to share with you two great purchases I've just recently made from House of Assembly. This one here is a great clutch that I find very practical for me. I've been using it for church, for lunch with the girls, and also out in the evenings. And a great detail about this, I love the straps that she's added. The crossbody strap, which is very practical. The second one is my favorite one, the tote that I've been using for work, and it holds all of my essentials that I need for work. The sizing is fantastic. I put my cosmetic bag inside of it, my wallet, my water bottle, and all my other little tidbits I would need for work. But I love the fabrication on both of these purses, vegan leather, and the fine detailing of the crabs I just love. Hope that you enjoy.